Hello traders, today is the 12th of December 2010 and a happy weekend to you all. This video is about how to count the Elliott waves, okay? How to count the Elliott wave. According to Elliott wave theory, okay, the trend will consist of 5 waves and ABC correction. So we'll have and if we have an uptrend, the uptrend will consist of 5 waves. And the third wave will be the longest wave. So we have the first wave, second wave, third wave, the longest wave, and then the fourth wave and the fifth wave. After we have counted the 5 waves, we will have the ABC correction. This is the theory. This is the theory according to Elliott, okay? So talking about Elliott wave theory, the market, whether in the uptrend or the downtrend, will move in 5 ways. So in a downtrend, we'll count 5 waves to the downside plus the ABC correction. So in the uptrend, we will have 5 waves to the upside plus ABC correction. The ABC correction in the uptrend will be a movement to the downside, and the ABC correction in the downtrend will be a movement to the upside. Okay, I will show you right here. I have here the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. Thinking of some nice sunny weather, I decided to look at the Australian dollar currency pair because right now in London it's cold. Okay, so we are thinking of some nice, beautiful sunny places. So the only thing that we can think of now is the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. Okay, now we're going to see how can we count the Elliott wave like professional traders. Now, by the way, if you do not know how, if you do not understand the subject of Elliott wave, you are behind, okay? So if you want to start competing with the best trader out there, you must be busy learning slowly by surely the subject of Elliott wave. That this is a very friendly advice that I can give you right now. If you are a new trader, it doesn't matter what is your trading level, you must start right now slowly by surely learning about the Elliott wave theory. The best website that I created simplifying the subject of Elliott wave is www.24elliottwaves.com. Okay, www.digit4 Elliott waves in plural.com. Okay, you go there and you enjoy yourself learning about the subject of Elliott wave. As you can see, the price went down. Okay, if you follow my cursor, this Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair went down. Okay, big time from this level where I'm moving my cursor all the way here, and then display a double bottom pattern. Okay, now the double bottom pattern has ended, has signaled the end of the downtrend, because in the downtrend we must have lower lows and lower high, and right here after this low, the next low was equal low. Okay, equal low means that there is no more bearish momentum to bring the price to create a new lower low. So right here in this zone here, the downtrend has ended. Okay, and then we will start counting the Elliott wave. How do you count the Elliott wave? Okay, we're going to master this subject once and for all. I will show you a very simple way to count the Elliott wave, and this is one of the easiest one. After the downtrend, an uptrend will begin if after a consolidation. So this is our consolidation zone. The double bottom pattern is the consolidation zone because the price went down and then tried to go up, tried to display a lower low, fell, and we have this zone here. This level here, you need to pay attention very careful to what I'm going to show you now and try to master that once and for all. Anytime you see a double bottom pattern, remember, I'm going to repeat that again. Anytime you see a double bottom pattern after a downtrend, because sometimes people will see a double bottom everywhere on the chart and they would say this is a double bottom, it's a bullish. Now, the double bottom pattern that is valid is after a downtrend. So if you want to trade a double bottom pattern, it must be a downtrend. So first you have a downtrend, okay, and then you have a double bottom pattern. Sometimes people will see on the chart a double bottom anywhere on the chart, and they will say this is a double bottom pattern. But in most cases, the valid double bottom pattern are the double bottom pattern that you see after a downtrend, like we have it here. The price went down, went down, went down. The bear get tired, and the price display double bottom pattern. The horse pole zone that you have to look at is where I'm putting the horse pole now. This place here, this is why you have to remember for the double bottom pattern. the price might break that level bullishly. Okay, very important. And from there we start counting the wave. Okay, this is where is the key, the nut. This is the key area of the downtrend that come from here to here. If the price fail to cross this level bullishly, the downtrend is still on. And as you can see here, it break it. So we start counting the wave from this here. First wave, second wave. But something has happened here. The second wave must not cancel the first wave. Repeat, the second wave must not cancel the first wave. But because the first wave is from here, I will draw the line there for you to show you. Forgive me for speaking fast, okay? So this is our first wave. We start counting after this zone here, the hotspot key area. This is the last door for the bear. And as soon as the bear lost control of this zone, we know that the bearish momentum is kaput. And it break it right there, okay? Remember that. Okay, so now we see, but this pattern is valid usually on a daily chart, but it's powerful on a weekly chart. Okay, but if you see on a 50-minute chart, hourly chart, it can work sometime, but it's not as reliable like on a daily chart, especially on a weekly chart. So we break this zone, we start counting the wave. First wave, second wave. Our second wave is this one here. But something has happened. As you can see, the second wave has cancelled the first wave because it shouldn't retrace back all the way to this level here. Okay, the second wave shouldn't come down out to the starting point of the first wave. Okay, it must retrace like 38% of this move from here. Must be like 38% or 50%, not more. Otherwise, it cancels the first wave. And right here, as you can see, this is the first wave to this level here. Okay, so if I show you clearly again what I'm talking about here, because this subject is so important and you cannot afford not to master it. So if we start the first wave from here, okay, first wave from here, it ended here, okay, and then the second wave went all the way down here. It canceled completely the first wave. It has engulfed completely the first wave. It shouldn't. It should stop somewhere here. In normal condition, it should stop somewhere here and continue the movement. So when the second wave, anytime a wave has canceled the previous wave, we must start counting again. So because this first wave from here to here has been cancelled by this one, we'll start counting again. It's like nothing has happened. We forget completely all these things that has happened here. We forget this zone completely. Okay, so this zone for us is like it never happened. So for us, we don't look at this again. It's gone because the first wave has been cancelled. So we start counting again. Okay, this is how you count the wave like professional traders. Okay, this is how we count it. So we start counting again. I'm going to show you, so bear with me. So we start counting again. This is the first wave now. Okay, because the first wave has been cancelled by the second wave, we have to start counting again. So this is now our new first wave. This is the second wave now. Okay, you see the second wave this time did not come all the way down to cancel the first wave. So this is valid. So first wave, second wave, and the third wave must be the longest. Okay, according to Elliott wave, the third wave must be the longest, and you as you can see is the longest. Okay, right here, this zone here, I will highlight it for you. The TSTW24 trading system, in most cases, in more than 90% cases, will catch this move. Okay, this is the gorgeousness of the TSTW24 trading system. Myself, I am one of the third wave traders. I catch the biggest move, I take my higher lion share, and I go away. So right there, you enter right here at this third wave, catch it, and stay in it, swing trade, and remain the longest. Fill your bank, fill your trading account, and then as soon as it's ended, you go away. Exactly there. And the fourth wave will start from here to this level here. Bear with me, I will do it properly for you. So this is the fourth wave from here to this level here. A kind of display double bottom here. This is about the news. If you have some news that come during the formation of some of the wave, you will see all sort of mess here. That's why the price came down. Exactly here we can count. This is it, this fourth wave, but the price retrace up and come back down. Okay, it happens sometimes, but the fourth wave is from here to this level here, and then the fifth wave right there. Okay, so we have the full cycle of the Elliott wave, the 5 wave in the uptrend. First wave, second wave, third wave, okay, and then the fourth wave and the fifth wave. This is from here to here, the fourth wave and the fifth wave right there. And now we're waiting for the ABC correction. Where is the ABC correction? The ABC correction is the A is this one here. From the fifth wave, okay, this is the A, okay, this is the B, okay, and this is the C. The full cycle of Elliott wave is completed, okay. Like we know also that the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair will move in the same direction like the Euro USD, okay. So we see the full cycle on the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. I'll color this thing for you so it become more beautiful, okay, for you. So the first way is the green one, okay. The second one, okay, I'll color it the black one, okay. The third one, which is my favorite one, so I color it my favorite color, which is the yellow one, because I like to catch the lion shell, okay. And the fourth one, I'll color it blue, okay. And the fifth one, I'll color it red for you. So we have all the colorful pattern according to the Elliott wave, the uptrend, which has started from here all the way to this level here. If I draw, I'm not going to draw it again. I don't want to mess it for you. So you see from all the way from where I'm moving my cursor here up to the top here, this is the 5 way. The professional will count it. They know exactly where the market is going. That's why this not by mistake. This one is the longest, because they know that the third wave might be the longest. The hedge fund managers, okay, the mutual fund, okay, the big money, okay, the smart trader, the market specialists, everybody that is greedy, like to make money in the stock market, will like to catch the third wave. But if you want, you do not understand Elliott wave, and you want to catch the Elliott wave, even if you do not know, you must get the TSTW24 trading system, and right there you will receive a triple green signal that will catch the third wave for you, and you will be in nicely like everybody else. So we have the fifth wave ended here, and then we have the A. I'll color the A again white, okay, and I'll color the B, okay, color B pink to please the ladies, okay, and I will color the C black now, okay. So we have the full cycle. This is the for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. The whole cycle in the uptrend is completed, okay. You see, it's done. It's done. Okay, this is how we will count the Elliott. The main thing you need to remember, okay, in this counting the wave is that when a wave has cancelled any other wave, we must start counting again. Okay, the second wave must not cancel the first wave. Okay, and the third wave must be the longest wave. Okay, and that's it. And the ABC correction must be in the opposite direction to the trend, because we have uptrend from the first wave to the fifth wave. The ABC correction should be a downtrend. You see, the price went from here all the way down here. So it's the opposite to the trend. The correction is always the opposite to the major trend that you have. This is how you will count the wave like professional traders. I hope you learned something from how you can count the Elliott wave like a professional trader, that you put into practice in order to cream the market like professional traders. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you for watching.